I am the back-end handyman. I fix things as cheap as I can, which is often all by myself. I am not a professional. May not be done the right way, but it's done my way. I assume no responsibility if you attempt the same thing and damage anything. Yay! Another side quest. Hey, check out this new car we got, man. Fucking, it's pretty. It's cute. Thing about making a Deadpool mobile. And you can hear it. Hear how it's kind of hard to start. I got a new battery put in this biatch, and we'll see how it starts then. Pop the hood. There's the battery came in it. Take these leads off and I'll clean them up good. See if they're loose. Nope, not loose. You have to take off the bolts. There's one right there. I took it out. Yeah. One back there that we took out. And that makes this move to where I can get the battery out. Always unhook your negative last when you're hooking up a battery. And you unhook it first when you're unhooking a battery. That way you don't short nothing out by hitting the fucking metal on the side. But you just unscrew it. Usually a 10 millimeter, sometimes 13 millimeter, depending on the end. This one here, that was 10. Now here's something else I wanted to point out. These batteries are pretty much the same size, right? Well, this one here is a W26R. This one here was a 121 RDL.
What?
The only difference I found between these two is, I mean, this one has cold cranking amps 575 and has 90 reserve capacity. This one has 100 reserve capacity at 550. So to me, that seems like it should be better. But this battery, if you buy it from Walmart, is $130 freaking dollars. This battery, since, I mean, this is the positive side, and if I turn this one around, which it's right there, is the positive side. So that's right. And it still has this lip. Maybe this lip is a little bit different. Maybe you can't. Maybe you're not supposed to be able to use it because that lip's different or something, because the lip is way different on the bottom. But that is $130. Screw that, man. We'll try this out and we'll see. You clean your battery terminal cables out with one of these things, which got the other one over here. You just put it in the center and twist it, and it'll clean it out. And of course you hook the battery back up. There we go. That's my positive. Here's my negative. Pull off my cap. Put the negative on. Last, I already tightened this one up. But there you go. The battery fits in there just like the other one, with about $50, $60 difference. So I don't get it. I don't think it was worth it to spend $120. Let's go see if it starts. We got the ding-a-ding-a-ding-a. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. It works so much better. Starts right up. That's some kind of scam they're trying to do there. Same size battery. Battery's a battery. As long as it's got 12 volts in it and it fits, you can use probably whatever battery you want. Just make sure you never hook up the negative to the positive and the positive to the negative, because if you ever do that, you'll fuck up the whole car. I mean, it might burn out the motor. It might burn out solenoids and all kinds of stuff that operates on the car itself. Sometimes the positive post is on the negative side, and sometimes the negative side is on the positive side. So you got to look for the plus and the minus. And the positive is going to be the red wire, usually. If it's got any kind of color to it, the negative will be the black wire. Now, what's weird is House Electrical The black wire is not the negative. That's the positive in the house electrical. But cars, red usually means hot. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and want to follow my process, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.